Hi everyone, it's Karen from Craftykarendesigns. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make a project for Share It on a Sunday, which is a weekly challenge that a couple of my crafty friends and I set ourselves. We have a theme every week, and we all take turns to decide what the theme is. And then we all make a project on that theme and we share it on a Sunday around all the different groups that we belong to and on our pages and etc. So I think Donna chose this theme, Donna Lester from Taffy Crafting, and the other lady is Vicky Lou Designs, Victoria Littlewood. I think she chose this week's theme, and the theme was nature. And I was sort of scratching my head a bit thinking, nature. Well, if it's nature, we need some leaves and we need some flowers, and the butterflies are my favourite, so we'll have some of those as well. And then I thought, right, what can I use? So because the new catalogue is going to launch fairly soon, we've got about 7 weeks to go before the new catalogue launches. So I need to get rid of some of my designer series papers. So I thought I'd see if I could use up some bits and pieces of things that I've got, and I've got lots of die cuts, bits of leaves, and I've chopped them all up to make little bits of leaves and things. And I've been punching out with the small blooms punch and the butterfly duet punch, because I've got a horrible feeling that this will retire, this butterfly duet punch. And it's one of my favourites. So I've punched out a pile of bits and pieces, and I've still got quite a bit of the Forever Greenery Designer Series paper. So I thought what I'd do was make a set of thank you cards and a box to put them in. So I haven't completed one yet, but I've got an idea in my head. So I'm going to talk you through what I'm going to do. So I've made a box, or I've started to make a box, but I'll talk you through. I've already cut the tabs, but I'll talk you through the sizes and everything. So this is the lid. So this is going to be slightly bigger than the base. So this is 6 and... it's about 6 3/16, so it's just a smidge over 6 1/4 square. And I've scored it at 1 inch on all 4 sides. And the base is 6 1/4 squared. And I've scored that at 1 inch on all 4 sides. And I've just cut up the score line and notched it slightly. So we'll put this together. I'd already sort of started playing about with this, and I thought, oh, no, I need to do a video. I've not done a video for a while. So I thought, I'll do a video and show you how to do it. So the scored side comes to meet the cut edge as neatly as you can. Just hold it for a minute. I prefer wet glue, but lots of people like tear and tape for boxes. But I prefer wet glue for more or less everything. I very rarely use anything else, unless I'm sticking acetate or something, and then I tend to use the red line tape. So I'm getting very excited about the new catalogue, because demonstrators will be able to see it, or a PDF version of it, in a couple of days' time. And the retirement list will be launched, so we'll find out what we're losing and what's not carrying over into the new catalogue. So I'll be very excited about the new stuff, and then I'll be very sad about some of the old stuff, because I've got a feeling that the butterfly gala set will go this time, because that's been out for a while now. But it is one of my very favourites. Let's just check and make sure. These are the cards I'm using happen to be shop bought ones. I had a pack left over from something that I was doing with my grandchildren at Christmas. So I thought I'd use these up as well. So these come in packs of 50 or something with envelopes as well. But I'll talk you through the size if you want to make your own cards. But these have already got the envelopes in, so that fits nicely. So we know it's going to be all right because the envelope's a little bit bigger than the card. So that's the base. I'll just put the lid together. And exactly the same. The scored edge to the cut edge. Just make them meet. Just hold them for a second till the glue takes. So if you haven't already subscribed to my blog, to my YouTube channel, I'd be very grateful if you could click on the subscribe button below. Click on the bell and you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And you can also subscribe to my blog at craftykarendesigns.blogspot.com. And if you sign up to the email list, you'll get an email whenever I put a new project on my blog, which is at least 3 to 4 times a week, sometimes more, but rarely less. But there isn't always a video. So there we go, that fits nicely. So we'll put that over to one side out of the way and we'll decorate that later. So, as I said, these cards are ready made. And these are just short of 8 inches by 4. But if you're making your own, if you cut a piece that's 8 by 4 and score it at 4, then you'll make a 4-inch square card. I mean, it measures more or less 4 inches square there. But it measured a little bit less than 8 when I lay it down, which is a bit odd. Now I really like this stripy one in this designer series bit. In fact, I like a lot of it, but I thought this would be quite nice. And I saw something on Pinterest that gave me a bit of an idea. And it was just to lay a small strip across half of it like that. So the card's 4 inches and this piece is 2 inches. So it measures 2 by 3 7/8. So there's a little tiny border all the way around. So I'll stick that down. I'm not going to put them all together with you on video. I'll just put one together and I'll do the rest later. We'll decorate the box, otherwise the video will be too long. And I want these to be thank you cards, so I'm going to use the thank you from the art gallery stamp set. And I'm just going to stamp it straight onto the card. So I'm going to put it up in this top corner here, hopefully straight. There we go. And that's the only stamping I'm going to do. Then I'm going to start playing about with these bits and pieces. So I've been using up some of the designer series paper stacks, and this is the one that goes with the brights colours. So this is all I've got left, but I need to use it up because we're getting some new patterns this time, I think. So I've already punched out some, I think it's Mango Melody, and some, I think that's Melon Mambo. What else have we got? And we've got some Flirty Flamingo. So what shall we have? I think I'll go for the Flirty Flamingo ones. So I punched out 3, I think, to be going on with. Yeah. So what I do to give these flowers a little bit of shape is just put it in my hand, like that. So this is the punch that I've used, this small bloom punch. It's really easy to make lots and lots of cute little flowers. How easy is that? So as I said, I just put them in the palm of my hand and stick me, take your pick tool, you know, but you can use a pencil or a pen or something to give it a little bit of shape. And I thought I'd put these down in this corner over here somewhere, and then I'd start tucking in bits of these leaves. So I'll put a dab of glue on each one of those, I think. Just stick them down. And the great thing with them being little cards, if you've got a few die cuts, a few leaf die cuts will go a long way. But I've also got the sprig punch out in case I need some more. And stay there. And then we can just, I've got some silver ones I could tuck in. And we've got some little green ones. What I like to do is I like to place them all in and have a look and see what I think before I actually glue anything down. Got a bit of that one in as well. What do you think? See, these leaves will go quite a long way once you start chopping them up. I think that'll be quite pretty. So, but I'm just going to trim the end of that one because that's where it was attached. So I'm just going to round off that edgy bit. There we go. Just put a little dab of glue on the back. Start feeding them in. So if anybody would like one of the new annual catalogues when they become available, which will be towards the end of April, beginning of May, I think, before I can send them out, just drop me a message at craftykarendesigns@outlook.com, or leave me a message underneath this video or on my blog, and I'll add you to my list. Right, so I think that's enough flowers and leaves, because I don't want them to be too thick, because they're going into the box. And I'm going to make 4 to go in the box, and then I'm going to gift it. So I've also punched out some butterflies. Let's see, what colours have I got? I've got Bermuda Bay, Daffodil Delights. We've got a Flirty Flamingo one. What else have we got? What appears to be it. So, could have all 3, couldn't we? Yeah, let's go for all 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend the wings up a little bit, and then just put a dab of glue on the back. Comes in for all sorts, this take your pick tool. Oh no, we'll turn it that way around, so we'll have a spotty butterfly. I love this designer series stack paper. It's so handy for backgrounds. And you can make lovely flowers and butterflies with it too. And then I think we need something in the middle of the flowers. That one up there. Yeah, I think that's really cute. How about try some of these black dots for the centres of these flowers. And they could be those flowers called with the black dots, black centres, the Black-Eyed Susan or something like that. There we go. I think that's quite cute. So put that to one side and we'll decorate the lid of the box. So I'd already cut a piece of matching designer series paper, and this is 4 1/8 squared. So we'll just add that to the top of there. Like that. And we'll add some of these flowers, I think, on the top of the box, of the yellow ones. And a few more leaves. Got glue on my finger. Something like that. We could have different coloured flowers, couldn't we, on the top? Yeah, we'll go for different coloured ones. But I think I'll stick these leaves down first because these are a bit bigger. I'll stick all of this down because we don't want it flapping about. These leaves are from the Forever Flourishing dies, which is part of this Forever Greenery suite. Might need more than 3 flowers on here. We'll see. We'll have some butterflies, because why not? Like a pretty little gift for somebody, or something for your craft fairs. I can't wait till craft fairs start up again. I've got so much stuff. But the places where I usually go are hotels, and I think they'll be one of the last to open up again. Let's have another butterfly on, because we can, of a different colour. Sorry if you can hear that dog barking outside. Barks all the time. It drives me nuts. I'll add some more of these matte black dots. I've only got one completed one to go in there, but we'll put that in. I'll just do some, I'll just punch some of these in the side so you've got a bit of a finger pull to open the box. There we go. How pretty is that? I think that's really cute. I'll carry on and finish the cards, and the photo, when I put the photograph on my blog, there'll be 4 cards in total plus the box. So there you go, quick and easy project to use up all your bits and pieces. Get rid of some of your designer series paper before the new catalogue comes out. Don't forget, if you want a copy of the catalogue, just drop me a message. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please click on the red button below and click on the bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And all the instructions for this will be over on my blog at craftykarendesigns.blogspot.com later on today. And if you haven't already subscribed to the email notifications on there, the box to do that is on the top, at the top right on my blog page. So I'd be really grateful, because I'm trying to grow my numbers of supporters, to keep bringing you these lovely free tutorials. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks, bye.